Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. This is too much for you right now. Shiba Inu has 2 more days. New SHIB. The price of Shiba Inu stopped in 2022. On a negative note, as the new year begins, the bulls are hoping to retake lost ground and give investors back the money they lost. Shiba Inu price hasn't shown the signs of strength that would make buyers want to buy more SHIB tokens. As the bidding for December came to a close, the market value was 13% lower than when it began. This was because bulls failed to start the expected end-of-year rally. We'll talk about you're not ready for this Shiba Inu in this movie. You still have 2 days. Weird news. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to see the latest Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis. So, let's start the video right away. On January 2 ND, the price of a Shiba Inu is 820 cents. Shorter periods tend to be bearish, but the bulls are trying to change how the 8-day exponential moving average is being interpreted. A man has been turned into support, and now the 21-day simple moving average, or SMA, will soon interact with the well-known joke coin. The 21-day simple moving average, SMA, which is bullish, is at 834 cents. This could cause a rise to the middle of December's trading range, which is around 900 cents. If the bulls won, the price of a Shiba Inu would go up by 11%. On the other hand, SHIB is still being held down by the broken support zone from November. A break of December's low at 780 cents could start a sweep the lows event that aims for the low from 2022 at 714 cents. If the bearish situation comes true, the share price will drop by 13%. It's important to know that an unbreached liquidity zone from 2020 will be 30% lower than the current trade range, at 632 cents. So, it wouldn't be a good idea to jump into the market for a knife catch in hopes of a double bottom near the yearly lows. Now that 2022 is almost over, cryptocurrency buyers will be glad to start over in 2023. This is because the crypto winter has taken over the whole industry and stopped the growth that started in 2021. Even the Shiba Inu meme dog has lost about 75% of its value by 2022 and is now worth about $4.9 billion. One of the biggest crypto platforms in the world just shut down, and this is what caused it. FTX has gone bankrupt and been getting a lot of bad news. The government is also stepping in. Since FTX went out of business, the rest of the industry has been hurt by the lack of predictability. Even though the future looks bad, crypto bulls will say it's a good time to buy the dip and that the industry will get better. There are many ways in which the Shiba Inu bears could hurt the coin. One thing is that Shiba Inu don't have a special purpose. Some tokens and networks can change the way certain businesses work or do certain things. Still, Shiba Inu can only be used for peer-to-peer payments, like almost every other cryptocurrency. This is partly because Shiba Inu doesn't have a network. Instead, it's an ERC20 token, which means it's built on top of the Ethereum network and has certain qualities, like being fungible, transferable, and having a fixed number of tokens. Shiba Inu has a fixed amount of 1 quadrillion tokens, which is not good for investors in terms of supply and demand. Shiba Inu's one interesting-looking catalyst is the planned release of the beta version of Shibarium. Shibarium is a Layer 2 scaling solution that is based on Shiba Inu's protocol. It makes Shiba Inu's network more like its own network. Because Shiba Inu is an ERC20 coin, this could lead to lower transaction fees when it is used. If Ethereum is busy, people who use Shiba Inu will also be busy, and petrol fees will go up. Shibarium will also supposedly have a way to burn tokens with every transaction, which will help lower the huge supply of Shiba Inus. Aside from that, Shiba Inu, which is the 16th biggest cryptocurrency, would likely also gain if the crypto industry gets back on its feet. In order for that to happen, the Federal Reserve will have to stop raising interest rates so quickly all year. Rate hikes make riskier assets less appealing, and cryptocurrencies, which are harder to value than stocks, are among the riskiest assets. The Shiba Inu group seems to be full of energy and excitement to get over the burnout from last year. Even though the daily burn of this popular joke coin has gone down a lot since the first 2 days of last year. According to the coin burn transfer tracker Shibarium, as of 2023, they were about the same as the big burn in 2022. In the past 2 days, the SHIB army has taken away about 250 million Shiba Inus. On January 1, the Inferno Bank got 19,098,748 meme coins. So far, it has taken 9 deals to get them. They took 159,411,895 SHIB out of circulation on January 2, which took 13 transactions to their pockets. The unknown address burned a total of 157,941,583 meme coins in a single transfer, which killed most of the SHIB that came after. The total number of shares that have been used up is now 115.6%. Since its launch a few months ago, the main Twitter account for the Shibarium blockchain Shibarium network at ShibariumNet has gained thousands of followers. More than 33,900 people follow the Shibarium network on Twitter. On November 7, less than a month ago, the Shiba Inu team said that there were about 24,100,000 fans. In the future, the Shibarium network will become a social hub for all information about the Shibarium Layer 2 network and protocol. Since Shiba Inus have gained a huge following on Twitter in just over a month, people have high hopes for them. Solution Shibarium, the second layer. Shiba Inu's lead creator, Satoshi Kusama, tweeted about meeting with Shibarium Builder Unification earlier this week to talk about Shibarium. He wrote, "Aligning onboarding is going to be finished soon, very soon." Shib, a Twitter account about Shiba Inus, used to post photos of chats between Satoshi Kusama and a Shib developer. Trophius's head. Most people think Kusama meant Shibarium when he said in the image that he was putting a nice bow on it. Shib Trophius said that docs will come next and then beta. Even though there is no set date for when Shibarium will be released to the public, it looks like the beta testing process will start soon. How much bonds cost Shiba Swap has gone up 8% in the last 24 hours to 87 cents in response to the news that the Shibarium test will be coming out soon. Bowen would power the second Shibarium layer and give benefits to validators. Developers of Shiba Inu are almost done with the Shibarium changes, according to a Twitter user with the handle @shib. The Shiba Inu community member shared a Discord message from one of the network's core developers, Trophius, who explained the next steps before the long-awaited Shibarium beta start. Trophius hinted in the Discord message that the developers just need to share the Shibarium whitepaper and the beta will be ready to go. In the shared message, the coder also said that building the website was the first step. The paper and the start of the test run. In a second Twitter post, the Shib celebrity shared another message from Satoshi Kusama, which added more proof to what Trophius said. Kusama's message on Discord shows that developers are putting together the last parts of the upgrade, including organizational changes and the release of documents, before the Shibarium project start. It's important to remember that the core developers teased the Shiba Inu community more than a year ago about starting the Layer 2 protocol. At first, the team planned